How to make spile egg. That's a small spile egg. And det der kommer nu is a big spile egg. Take a stie pan. Put this on 9. Take a smør. Take a ske. And put smør på this, Put this smør back in the refrigerator. Do this if it smør smeltet. Smøret have smeltet nu. Take an egg and click it. That's good. Take other egg. And you wait. And put the last egg in the refrigerator. It's close to done. This is not good, but it tastes good. This is good, and this also tastes good. That's beautiful, and that's ugly. But it's both taste beautiful. Let's see if the one is ready. I don't think so. I give this 20 seconds. Yeah. 1, 2, 6, 7, and 20. I think it's ready now. Take a tallerken. Put this with 0. Put the 1 here over. And put the 2 here over. Now it's done. Now we put salt and pepper. Peber. På. That's a peber. And we put pepper back. And now we putting salt på. There is the salt. I put this on my hand and putting ketchup på nu. So. And now we eat it. Please like and follow me in the channel. Yeah, we hit it in a gaffel. 10 out of 10. Do this at home. Ketchup. Like and sub.